Hey everyone, we're back today for a part 3 on garnet, and today we're going to be talking about how to use garnet. Bear with us, we have a lot of information to tell you, so make sure you stay till the end. We're going to first start off by talking about wearing garnet. So it's been said that wearing your crystal provides an even closer connection with it as the energies are able to flow right through you. If you're looking to kind of absorb the healing properties that garnet has to offer, wear it on your left hand to enhance and increase your self-esteem and your self-confidence, as well as protecting yourself from all kinds of negative energies. And wear garnet on your right hand to radiate out a strong shielding power to protect yourself and your family, all of your loved ones, release that stored negative vibration, and help unlock your root chakra. Garnet is also a really common jewel to be worn by both men and women, as it's a tool for increasing attraction and libido. Wearing a garnet necklace also allows the crystal to be close to your heart, so it will help you to invite more passion and love into your relationships. A ritual you can do with garnet is hold the garnet in your non-dominant hand and write down 10 things that you're passionate about. While holding the garnet, ask yourself which of those things brings you the most passion and makes you feel the most excited for. Circle those things that you chose, and with that in mind, say out loud, "I am passionate" 3 times. And you can go ahead and place this under your bed or somewhere in your bedroom as a reminder to incorporate more of that one thing into your life. Use garnet in your home or personal space if you're looking for a boost in creativity, or if you live in a house that might be full of drama or chaos. Garnet can be helpful to bring peace and positivity back, especially when placed in shared spaces. When traveling, this is also a really good stone to put in your backpack. To charge garnet, you can place it in sunlight, as it's a crystal associated with the fire elements. And to physically clean a garnet piece, you can use a small amount of soapy water. And to energetically cleanse your garnet, place it on top of selenite.